Hi everyone, welcome to my art class. Today I'm going to teach you how to draw Earth. Okay, and before we're doing it, I'd like to share an image with you together. All right, you can see this one. It's our Earth. You can see there's 7 continents and the 5 oceans. And this one right here, North America, South America, Europe, Africa, Asia, Australia, Antarctica, and 5 oceans. You can see Atlantic Ocean right here, Indian Ocean right here, Pacific Ocean right here, and the Arctic Ocean right here. All right? Okay, so today we are going to focus on the North America and the South American part. So I will focus on this area when we're drawing the Earth. Okay. All right. Let me switch camera. All right. You can see this is our paper. I am using the black paper. Okay. And first, I will have this kind of roundish shape. So use as my Earth shape. I'm using the black and put it in the center and tracing it with black. Okay, you can see right here. And next one, we can find the darkest blue, medium blue, and light blue. These 3 colors. Okay, and I also want you to find the darkest green, light green, lightest green. This one is medium green, and I want you to find the lightest green. Okay, and also I need you to find the black and the white. All right, right here. This one is white, right? No. Okay, where's the white? Right here, right here. Okay. This one is the white, and I want you to find another sienna color. This one look like a golden brownish yellow. Okay, so those are the color we are going to using it for today. Okay, and yeah, let's get starting it. So first one, I will use my darkest green right here, and I want to focus on the North America first. Okay, so for the North America, it's a brown right here. Right here, you can just go ahead and shape, draw a little bit shape right here. Okay, and then there's a bridge, look like a bridge, and then focus on the South American part. Okay, that. All right, you can make the shape just about close enough, and a little bit Africa right here. You can see. Okay, and a little bit Africa right here. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to just use darker green and go ahead and painting it. Okay, so color, color, color. All the thing, all the space. Okay, color, color. Nice and even. Okay, a little bit here, a little bit here. A little bit nice and even. Color in, color in. Color in, color in. All right. Like that. Okay. And then color in a little bit right here too. Maybe it should be a little bit higher. Okay. Yeah, it should be a little bit higher. Okay, so this one is our lane. And then I'm going to use the medium green. You know, the lane, I don't want it just look so darker screen. You want to show different kind of variety, right? So you can go ahead and use the medium green, do some highlight, a little bit here. It's up to you, okay? Anywhere you like. All right, a little bit there. Just a little bit right here, right there, okay? To show some of the difference. And this one, because I want to light focus on this area and then the light turn into darker, darker and darker. So I will have this one stay darker screen, okay? And next one, I'm going to bring the lighter screen in. Same thing, a little bit here, a little bit there, mix together. Okay, make the color looks more, have a more variety. Okay, so I'm doing here and there, but mostly I focus on this side, on my left hand side. Okay, because I want the light coming from this side. So a little bit here, a little bit there. I won't focus on light part on this side. All right, next one I will bring the sienna color in. Okay, so just mix with a little bit sienna to make our land look more realistic. Okay, a little bit right here. You can pick the spot. It doesn't necessary to be, you know, where and there. You can just pick whatever spot you like it, and then add it on a little by little. Okay, add it on a little by little, and I'll be fine. Okay, pretty much we are done. Okay, next one, I'm going to have you start to working on the ocean. Okay, so same thing, the ocean, I will start with the darkest blue. Okay, and color in, color in. All right, color in, color in. Keep going, keep going. Color in, color in. Try to feel the spot. All right, there's a background black paper color. You don't want to show it too much, so just try to color in, okay? All right, here we go. Right here, right here, little by little. Okay, keep going, keep going. All right, almost there, right? And then I'm going to move it up a little bit. So color over a little bit. Okay, we have a darkest green, blue, sorry, darkest blue. Okay, but you know, because the earth, the light, I want to focus on my left hand side, so it's going to turn in a little bit darker. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to add a little bit black. It's a little bit shadow right here, a little bit black, just a little bit, don't do too much, okay? And then top with the darkest blue again, but this side will turn in a pretty dark. Okay, and then here I want it to be lighter, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to use the medium green mixed with it. All right, so medium green mixed here, go over one more time so the color you can see more solid. Okay, more solid. Okay, same thing to here. So far so good, very easy, right? Okay, one more layer over the top, one more there. So it look really solid blue and really nice too. Okay, like that. Okay, and then I'm going to bring the lightest blue in a little bit more to highlight. Okay, to highlight a little bit. So what I'm going to do, bring a little bit lightest blue right here, highlight it a little bit here and there. Okay, just a little bit here and there, here and there. Okay, here and there. Lightest blue. Okay, you can see the shape turning a little bit rounded now, right? A little bit rounded now. Okay, because I really focus on, make it a little bit lighter here. So from light, medium tone, and darker tone. That's what I'm trying to do, okay? Like drawing a ball. Okay, so this one I'm going to top with the medium green again because I don't want it too white. The reason I don't want it too white because later on I will be able to add the clouds on. Okay, cloud is kind of hard to add it on the top of the surface. So that's why I'm doing a medium blue, mix it together again. Try to bring a little bit more blue tones. Okay. All right. So next one, I'm going to use the white. Okay, this one is the white, and this is the really fun part. We are trying to make the cloud on the top of the earth because when you're looking up from the universe, and then there's a cloud around the earth. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to just very light, go over the surface. Okay, so you can see I'm doing very light. I didn't push hard at all, okay? Do it very light. You want it to look like, there's a softer cloud around the earth. So first I'm going to kind of use the white, go along a little bit on the rim, okay? And then start to adding the cloud, all right? So let me clean this one a little bit. Okay, you can use tissue paper to clean it, all right? All right, let's add some cloud right here. Okay, have fun adding cloud. And then very gentle, very light. You want the cloud really light. And then it's going to go here and there around your earth. Okay, here and there. Okay, right here and there. More cloud. Very light, gentle, very light. Just go around the cloud here and there. Okay, very light touch, very light touch. A little bit here, a little bit there. Okay, so very light touch. And next one, I'm going to use a little bit more power, okay, because the cloud, you have a light cloud on the surface now, right? Like that, you have a little bit light cloud on the surface. And then we can push a little bit harder to make it the more clear cloud to come out. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to push a little bit hard. You can see I'm pushing a little bit hard. You can almost hear the noise, right? So a little bit harder, a little bit harder. Bring the cloud comes out. Make the cloud comes out. Make the cloud comes out. A little bit more. A little bit more. Be careful the shapes. Keep it rounded, okay? A little bit more. A little bit here and a little bit there. a little bit here, a little bit there. Okay, a lot on the top and bottom. Much wider. Much wider. Lots of cloud over the top. Push a little bit harder. And then, you know, always clean. Always clean a little bit because you will be able to bring some more white. Okay, you will be able to bring some more white if you clean little by little. Okay, you can see the cloud coming, right? Little by little. And then little here, a little bit there, a little bit here. Retouch. Okay, more focus on this side because I want this side to be much brighter. Okay, much brighter. You can sometimes you can push really hard, make it really white. That's fine. Okay, bring more cloud, bring more cloud, bring more cloud, make it white. Bring more cloud. I'm going to bring some more right here. Push it a little bit harder. You can see, wow, this one look like a really nice already. Okay, like that. Okay, next one, I think I'm going to, okay, just put few more line, one line to make the cloud. Few more line to make the cloud look like, you know, more goes together. And that's it. Okay, that's it, like that. All right, next one, we are going to do the outer space. Okay, the outer space, I'm going to use the lightest yellow. Let me see, this one is a lightest yellow, very light. Okay, opaque. It has a lot of white pigment. Okay, and I'm going to find a little bit lightest blue. Okay, like that, and a little bit gray. Let's find some gray color right here. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to paint it around the earth because I want to do some, you know, not just completely black, but a little bit fun for the color goes around. So, okay, a little bit blue, a little bit yellow, along with outer ring. Okay, I didn't mix the color, but if you like to mix it, you can do that. Just bring a little bit color in there. Bring a little bit color. Bring a little bit color here and there. And then I do a little bit like gray too. Okay, I think that's it. Pretty. All right, a little bit more blue goes around the earth. Okay, I think I got enough. That's good. Okay, so what I'm going to do next one, I'm going to do it all in black. Okay, so you can see I'm doing it all in black, color all in black. This one, you know, sometimes we need to be a little bit patient, especially color in the big black area, right? Artists need patience, especially when you're doing painting. No rush, right? Okay, let's do a little bit black on the top right here. A little bit right here. Goes along. Okay, bring the black in. Can do it a little bit partial, that's fine. You don't need to cover every single area, should be easy. And then you always can turn your paper. Turn it around, turn it around, turn it around. Cover some more black. Turn around, turn around. Cover some black over the top. Like that. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to really focus on the outer ring right here. Make it much more black pigment around the earth. Okay, same thing here around the earth because I want the earth really pops out. Okay, and then here a little bit more. Here a little bit more. All right, so I think I got enough. The next one, let's use our thumb. Start to smudging it, okay? So that's smudging, smudging, smudging. Use your thumb. Goes around. This is the fun part. You can just go ahead and smudge, smudge, smudge. Okay. Smudge, smudge, smudge. So you can see the black color start to blend it in with the base color we did, right? I'll keep on doing it. Smudging, smudge, smudge, smudge. Okay, we can go detail later. Just do the most of the area first, the big area, just smudging it. But be careful, don't rip the paper, okay? Don't rip the paper. We want to smudging it, but we don't want to rip the paper, right? Okay, keep on smudging it until the way you like it, okay? Until the way you like it. Okay, keep going a little bit more, a little bit more, a little bit more. I think I'm almost done. Smudging a little bit more here. Okay, but right now we need a little bit detail. Use our finger. Goes along with this circle. You don't want to ruin it. Okay, you want to keep it in shape. Like that, like that, like that. Ooh, here we go. All right, and next one, I think I'm going to highlight a little bit. Okay, let me use white. Highlight a little bit. So when I say highlight, I'm going to highlight this part a little bit more white. Okay, but don't push too hard. Just gently, gently. Outline a little bit. Outline a little bit. Your earth to make the shape more pops out. Because of the color contrast, white and black, it's a big contrast, right? So just a little bit, put a little bit more white, a little bit. Always good to turn your paper around, okay? Always good to turn your paper around so you can get a really nice result. Okay, look at that. Just a little bit goes around. Okay, just a little bit. Okay, not too much. All right, and then the next one I would like to put a little bit stars. Okay, so what you can do, you can just push, push, push a lot of dot for the stars if you like. It doesn't matter how many, but put a lot, it looks nice. star around the Earth in the universe, and some close to each other, some far away from each other. That would be really awesome. Okay, the more smaller you put, the prettier it's going to be. The dots, the smaller dots you put, the prettier it's going to be. I did it really light, okay? I did it really light, very light. And then sometime after you're done, and you can push some of the star a little bit darker. I mean, heavier. Push harder. It will become a little bit lighter. Okay, a little bit lighter. You can push hard a little bit, so some of the star can be brighter, right? So some of the star can be a little bit brighter when you push hard a little bit. Push hard a little bit, like that. Is that pretty? Push hard a little bit. Bring some of the star more close to you, like that. And then some of the one star are so small, so small, like that, so small, like that. Do you like my Earth? Okay, this is the class for today. I hope you enjoy. All right, so let me switch camera and show you in a different view, like this. This is our lesson for the Earth for today. Okay, I hope you like it and enjoy having fun. All right, bye bye. See you next time, everyone. Bye bye.